travel toiletry containers caught my eye right away because of how compact and versatile they were, with just how you can switch out the lids. So all the lids are labeled right here, and then they give you extra magnetic labels. And then you can easily, like right here, you see how it's 1 fluid ounce, 1 fluid ounce. So you can make it a 2 fluid ounce container, or you can easily unscrew it and switch it. So if you wanted something with an even smaller amount, or a certain face lotion or something like that where you don't need to take less of, that's perfect. Or pills, for example. So if you have a medication, or if you want to take some kind of vitamins or something with you. Oh, and by the way, the trick to changing this out, just push down on the side, it lifts right up. And then that's your magnet. So then you know, okay, that's either pills or vitamins in here. And to fill it, so this is really easy too. Let's open this up. I have my facial cleanser here, and you don't need a funnel or anything. You just can easily fill this up and you're good to go. But I feel like we always need to do a spill test. So I have my cleanser in here. I'm gonna change out the label for cleanser, and then let's do the spill test, because no one wants stuff all over their bag. So, and I like the design of it. I feel like you can easily put this in a small bag and it's not gonna take up any sort of room. So yeah, all kinds of cool things. Pass the spill test, there's no leaking here. So yeah, I'm excited to put these to use.